Hey everybody, welcome to Marco Nat Cook.
Today, we're making Fumbwa.
A tasty West African dish inspired by our great friend Jeremiah.
We'll see if we can get him to show up today.
Let's get started. So where has Marco Nat Cook been the past few months?
Marco Nat Cook, I'd say it's just been very busy with life. We've cooked actually, I want to say recently, we did cook shark fin soup. We'll just say not real shark fin. We didn't actually like post or anything or make a video for that, but we're cooking pretty regularly. I'd say twice a month we're cooking a fun dish, and it's just, you know, a choice if we want to upload it or not. But it has been like a year, right, since we've made like a solid video, so we're happy to release this, and we're just cranking them out when we can.
What's the next big project for Marco Nat Cook?
Well, I don't want to give any true spoilers, but there has been a project that we as a team have been working on for over the past 2 years. Make that 3 now. It may not be released until spring 2026, maybe even summer 2026 after our Mongolia trip. But there is some content there that is truly unmissable. So please, stay tuned. So what's in the future for Marco Nat Cook, both short term and long term?
I want to say short term, we're talking like the next year. I'd love to get more videos out, more content out. There's just so much to explore in the world, cuisine-wise, and we're just gonna keep going at it. Eventually, we're both gonna go to college, but that's, you know, it's probably half the year that we're actually away from home. But ideally, you know, over breaks and stuff, we're still making videos. You know, we don't have necessarily like big aspirations for the channel to be world famous or anything. We just make videos because we like doing it, and ideally we can keep that up in the future, even if we're, you know, living our own lives.
What was your favorite Marco Nat Cook video?
I suppose I'd like to take this instance to talk about the topic of mursik. As you might know, mursik is a fermented milk dish native to the Kalenjin people in Eastern Africa. Marco and I first began on our mursik journey a few years back when we attempted to make a video fermenting mursik, adding the charcoal, shaking it in the sautet, and ultimately drinking it to varied reactions. However, the footage was tragically deleted. From there, we took our mursik skills and created mursik for our social studies class for Mr. Bender. After that, we made mursik again in our beautifully carved sautet for our Calc BC final. A mursik video will come someday. Not today, but someday. Shall we kneel?
So Jeremiah couldn't join us today, but we still made Fumbwa, and we hope it tastes good.
Let's dive in. Wow.
It's better than I thought it would be. I was a little nervous with the Fumbwa spinach that I wouldn't like cook.
Wow, that is rich. I can feel the warmth inside of me. It's a flavor like I have never really tasted before, but it is not one that I will easily forget.
I mean, I like the peanut butter coconut kind of fusion going on, and I think it tastes real nice with that little bit of fish. I wish Jeremiah was here right now. That would be pretty awesome. But, you know, at least the food's pretty good.
Thanks everyone for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.